Accessing your TV menu without a remote.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to discuss an interesting and useful topic: how to access your TV menu without a remote control. This is particularly helpful when your remote control is lost, or if its batteries are dead. Let's get started.
Locating the physical buttons on your TV.
Most modern TVs come with physical buttons. They might be found on the front, sides, or the rear of the TV. Look closely, as they may be hidden or subtly designed. Buttons you might find include Power button. This turns your TV on and off. Menu or Settings button. This opens your TV's menu. If there's no specific menu button, one of the other buttons, like the volume or channel buttons, might be used to access the menu when the TV is already on. Volume plus or minus buttons. These control the volume levels. Channel plus or minus buttons. These change the channel or act as navigational buttons in the menu.
Navigating the TV menu using the buttons.
After locating the buttons and turning on your TV, press the Menu or Settings button to access your TV's menu. You can usually use the Channel plus or minus buttons to navigate up and down through the menu options. The Volume plus or minus buttons often work to navigate left and right, or to adjust settings. The Menu or Settings button can also often be used as a Select or Enter button. If not, there's usually another button, such as the Channel or Volume button, that can serve this function. Please refer to your TV's manual for specific instructions, as each model is different.
Using a universal remote or smartphone app.
If you're struggling to navigate with the TV buttons, consider using a universal remote or a smartphone app. Many manufacturers offer apps that can control your TV over your Wi-Fi network. To use a universal remote, purchase a universal remote suitable for your TV brand. Follow the instructions to set it up for your specific TV model. To use a smartphone app, download the manufacturer's app or a universal remote app from the App Store on your smartphone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV and follow the instructions in the app to set it up. And that's it. Now you should know how to access your TV menu even if you've misplaced your remote control. Remember, it's always a good idea to have an alternative way to control your TV, whether that's familiarizing yourself with the physical buttons or using a universal remote or app. We hope this guide was helpful and will save you from future frustrations. Happy viewing!